Hello there YouTubers, it's Peter from Snow SEAT in Portsmouth, and I'm just going to be talking about one of our latest offers down at the showroom here at Portsmouth. It's the SEAT Alhambra that's just behind me. The vehicle is the SEAT Alhambra 2 litre TDI SE Ecomotive DSG automatic in the Indian grey metallic. A fantastic vehicle with the sharp arrow-like design, with the dual lighting there, cornering fog lights, and the parking sensors on the front of the car. It's also got some really attractive alley wheels and plenty of ease and accessibility both into the car, where you'll find an array of specifications inside the vehicle. So this particular one has the radio, media system, Bluetooth phone connectivity. It's also got voice recognition. It's got air conditioning. Obviously it's got the DSG auto box. It's got the ability of the sliding doors, tabletops, and the 7-seater configuration there as well. Going back to the fantastic price that we have on this car, as you can see here, the price of the car retail at $32,165, but Snow's price is just $23,495, so it's a huge saving. That's over £8,000 off the price of the car. In fact, you can see it there, £8,670 off the price of the car. It's the last one at this price, so with no further ado, it's very much a case of giving us a call on this car. So there you have it, fantastic vehicle, fantastic price. It's down at the showroom at Portsmouth. Please do give us a contact on the information that's displayed on this screen. Thank you.